Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to refer friends on Rainbet. To refer friends on Rainbet, start by signing into your account and clicking your profile in the top right corner. From the menu, select Affiliates, and here you'll find your referral code. You can even set a custom code if you'd like. This automatically generates a referral link, which you can copy by clicking the icon next to it. Share this link with your friends, and when they sign up and play using your link, you'll earn referral rewards. Within the same Affiliates tab, you can track your total earnings, the number of referrals, and even the total wagers from your invited friends. Finally, once you've accumulated rewards, you can conveniently withdraw your referral earnings right there. And that's how quick and simple it is to start referring on Rainbat. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.